traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold dollar, I definitely think it's very clear this is a 1, 2, 3. We may be getting very close to the end of a wave 3. Most wave 3s do go to the 161.8 Fibonacci extension of wave 1, projected out the bottom of wave 2. Now you have to keep in mind that wave 3s don't have to stop at the 161.8. That's usually just the minimum that a wave 3 will go. They possibly could go a lot higher than that. But if it does decide to respect that area, then most likely the next move down would be a wave 4 and probably another push up for the wave 5. But, like I always say, this is the monthly, so that potentially could take a very long time to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, this right here is all, ever since we ended this wave 2 right here, this is all just subdivisions of a wave 3. So most likely this is a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and a wave 5 of 3. I think we're going to hit this 61% Fibonacci extension right around the 2550 area because it lines up really well with monthly time frame 161.8 Fibonacci extension. So I think that we still got some more upside potential. Going down to the daily time frame, if we zoom out a little bit, I definitely think this is all a wave 5 right here, ending a wave 4 back here. So this is a 1 of 5, 2 of 5, this is a 3 of 5, 4 of 5. So most likely we are in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the wave 5. I think it's going to make its way up a little bit more, probably closer to the $2,500 area, hit that 61.8 fib extension and the 161 fib extension from the monthly time frame. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, definitely a pretty impulsive move down. It looks impulsive, it looks corrective, so it probably will lead to another impulsive. Impulsive corrective usually does lead to at least one more impulsive. But I think there's a very good chance it's just going to be another 1, 2, 3 pattern, another ABC correction. It probably come down, maybe retest this 50% and probably end up continuing back up. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely would be primarily looking for longs, but I am a swing trader. I'm not really trading a very short time frames below the 1 hour time frame. Like I was just explaining on the 4 hour, it definitely looks like impulsive down. It looks like 1, 2, 3 up. I have my Fibonacci retracer right here because I think this is a wave A. I think this is likely a wave B. It probably likely is going to drift down, maybe even go down and break some structure for a wave C. So if it does make 3 waves down, then I would definitely remove this Fibonacci level and put my Fibonacci from here to here. Then I would look for 3 waves down. I'd look for a Fibonacci bounce. I'd look for a nice engulfing move at a Fibonacci level to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. If you are a very short time frame trader, you can try to go short for the wave C, but I definitely think the bigger, safer, better money is going to be made waiting for 3 wave pullback Fibonacci bounces to go long for the continuation of this big wave 3 uptrend on the much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.